Once it's summertime, anyone my friend then go and find fruits and vegetables and made them a carrot congee. It made me think of a man giving a woman a house and she turned it into a home. They brought me these 2 zucchinis. So come and go make zucchini bread. Now, usually when the zucchinis are this size, they use them for baking, not really cooking. Because the inside is spongy and the outside is kind of hard. So they're perfect for making zucchini bread or anything zucchini. Me usually use a spoon to scrape out the gut easy and then me grate them manually. Me not blend them. It's another advantage of living out here. Once spring push out, people start farming and people are not mean with produce. Summertime, you can get pretty much any produce for free. Even if you don't know anyone that plant, they usually take them to church. Sometimes you drive by, they put them on the street side and mark free, so people just pull over and take them up because you know some people garden and they just pick them off and put them out for share. I added 4 eggs to a bowl with the zest of 1 lemon and the juice of that same lemon. I added vanilla, almond essence, salt, sugar, and you know me love my brown sugar, but because me have the sugar I want to use up, me just added that. I also added some oil. Use olive oil if you want. I just didn't have none. Me mixed that out and then me added some melted butter. Mix that out until the sugar dissolve. I have a lot of zucchini recipes on here, at least 4, because as I usually tell you guys, I'm not really a baker. I'll cook, but I have a good zucchini bread recipe, good banana bread recipe, and a good Jamaican black cake recipe. Now me added all-purpose flour, baking powder and some baking soda. I'm gonna mix all of that in thoroughly. Once me get it thick like this, me start incorporate my zucchini. So the goal of this recipe was to use as little flour as I could. I kind of wanted to make it on the healthier side, so if you notice, me didn't even add a lot of sugar. Put a half of the grated zucchini and stir that in properly. Honestly, right here is the perfect texture. You never need to add the rest of the zucchini. However, I went ahead and added the rest of it because I planned that I was gonna add some bulgur to this zucchini bread. Never did it before, but we not reach so far yet. I add some cinnamon powder, a little allspice, grounded allspice, and a little ground clove. I rub that in thoroughly, or I should say I whisk that in properly. Just realize how slow me attack. Every time I do voiceover like this, people always say, oh, you sound so tired, but I know I'm not tired, I'm just chill. But see me add the bulgur, yeah? And this right here is a red flag. Do not do that. If you decide to add some bulgur, it can be good in there, but blend it out. I don't know why I never thought of that, but like I say, I'm not a baker. I mean, I think deeply about baking like me would about cooking. When me make the bulgur dumpling, people I say blend the bulgur, but me love the bulgur dumpling with the bulgur like this, so me not blend it. But this, you need to blend the bulgur. Added some raisin, mix all of that in, grease some pan and put them in. Bake for an hour and 355. An hour later, the middle was still soggy. Me let it bake 30 more minutes, and then the toothpick came out clean. Added some butter to the top of it. As you can see, it sink down or it melt down. Me say this is how it turned out. It was a fail. Bulgur didn't add the rest of thickness from the shortening of the flour, because like me say, I never want to use no flour. I wanted to use the bulgur. It would have been fine if I had blended the bulgur, but I didn't. And mass, my teeth nearly broke out from the bulgur. You know, not the ones in the middle, that was cooked. The ones were soaked to the bottom to make a crust.